Yeah, the Frankfurter, the wiener, the dog. That's right. If you were not aware, today is National Hot Dog Day.
Lucky for us. And here to tell us about hot dogs, bratwursts, other types of sausage is Jeremy Schaller from the famous Schaller and Weber, which is a German food institution on the Upper East Side, right up the road. First of all, sir, happy National Hot Dog Day.
Same to you.
Is this your Super Bowl?
Essentially, yeah. I would say so.
Oh my God. How did this thing, this creation, come to be so beloved that it earned its own day?
Yeah, so I mean, the Frankfurter was brought originally from Germany, just like my grandfather who started the company was.
Amazing.
We came over, it became a New York sensation. So we do a couple of different varieties of it, and we still make them today. We started 90 years ago.
So your family came direct from Germany to NYC?
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, slanging dogs since 1937.
Yeah, long time.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Well, there's a lot going on this table right here. You guys are multiple award-winning.
Yeah.
Medals of Honor winning.
That's right. Yeah.
So what is it about your hot dog or hot dogs that sets it apart from the competition?
So my favorite is our pork and beef. It's in a sheepskin casing. Looking for a quality dog, you want a sheep casing. It has that snap that everybody loves.
The snap.
So,
okay.
yes,
That's
and that's what you get from that.
It doesn't have the snap. I don't
That's
want it.
the mark of a good.
Absolutely.
I wonder though. So your family came here in the 30s to Yorkville. What is so special about your hot dogs other than the sheepskin? Because it's been passed down from generation. Was there anyone in the family that was like, "Oh, I don't like hot dogs"?
No. That would be a sin.
Blasphemy, right.
Yes, absolutely. We did change over to the all beef for the New York market. That's something that happened. Like the New York variation, the classic New York one is an all beef.
Okay.
So just for different ethnicities and like, you know,
Different flavor profiles.
You know, while we have you here, we also need to ask you, it's an age-old question,
Yeah.
an argument online, is a hot dog a sandwich?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Yes, please.
There we go. So we can trust you. There's
Stern
the
answer.
credibility factor.
Yes.
There it
He's
is.
a reliable source.
Okay.
Also, grilled or boiled?
Ooh, that is upon your preference.
Situational. I
So,
agree. I agree.
yeah.
There's time and a place for either.
I boil, and then you could brown it off a little bit. And just put it on a grill or in a pan.
Okay.
Give it a little crispness. So that's a good.
Fancy pants.
All right,
my
so we have
preference, yeah.
in the sheep's casing.
What did you bring for us? What did you bring for us here?
Well, it depends. So we have a hot one. This is a Ray's Red Hot.
As
done
in
with,
spicy.
Yeah, we did a collaboration with Ray's Bar downtown. That is like a Texas Red Hot. So I like that one a lot.
The dog itself has a kick to it.
Correct. That's our classic German-style wiener.
Yeah.
Sounds like it has my name.
Sort of like Vienna style.
This is beef?
This is all beef if you're not a pork eater.
And this is?
That's the pork and beef again.
Okay.
Yeah.
gonna
And this
do
is
it
our
go with-
mustard
I'm gonna
and our
Thoughts on putting ketchup and mustard on a hot dog at
Very
the same
polarizing.
time?
Okay. You want me to help you out with
Is that yes, please? Is that okay? Is it
You
allowed?
can do it. I'm German, so I only do mustard. That's, you know,
okay.
we don't do ketchup.
I mean, he still likes you. It's fine. We're all still friends.
But, you know, my son, for instance, he's a ketchup eater. So, and I'm okay with that as long as he turns to mustard when he gets older.
Okay. I'll take whatever you want to put on it,
Hit
Chef.
us
Cool.
up. What is your favorite?
What do I like? I like the mustard only.
Because
On a
he's
beef?
true German.
On a
I'm
pork?
actually
On
German
a-
as well, but
That's all right. The
I
cat'll
guess I'm
get it.
fake.
Did you want mustard or?
I want
Yeah, just dip.
mustard. I'm
Go
gonna
ahead.
dip.
Yeah.
What do you think? The snap.
I've not had a
snap.
hot dog yet this year.
Yeah. Yep. So these are all antibiotic-free. They're no nitrates. They're
And they're delicious.
very healthy, good quality.
Oh, they're healthy.
Yes.
Tell us
Healthy
where-
as you can get.
Head over to 2nd Avenue.
Yes.
Schaller and Weber, between 85th and 86th on the Upper East Side. You can also get more info at schallerweber.com.